Hey guys, this is Katie from the Katie YouTube channel. I'm so excited. We are here with Maricela, and she's gonna, I probably just murdered her name. She'll introduce herself here. And she's gonna talk to you guys about the YWCA, okay? So we're gonna get her right on in this next segment.
Hi, my name is Maricela. I'm the Marketing and Outreach Manager for the YWCA Southern Arizona. And our whole mission is eliminating racism, empowering women, promoting peace, dignity, justice, and freedom for all. This year we're celebrating a very special year. We're turning 100 years old in Southern Arizona, and we are going to be celebrating with a big birthday bash on May 4th at the Tucson Convention Center. I hope you can join us. Please visit our website, www.ywcatucson.org, and we'd love to see you there. And if you're not familiar with the YWCA, we have a wide array of programs. I like to say that we don't teach women how to swim, we teach women how to fly. We have a lot of programs focused around social and economic justice. In fact, we've led the fight for social and economic justice in Southern Arizona for 100 years. So I do invite you to join us on May 4th and help us stand with us. And thank you for listening.
I love this. So I'm going to do a little interview. So tell us a little bit, like when you were saying you have programs, like what programs do you have? Get really specific, like tell our ladies out there what programs can they specifically get involved in?
For sure. So I think the program that the YW is most known for, it's been in existence for almost 30 years. It's Your Sister's Closet. And so what we do is we set women up who are entering or re-entering the workforce with a week's worth of business attire. So we set you up with 1 hour of a free personal fashion consultant. So you get a week's worth of attire, accessories, sometimes toiletries, and so we also accept donations. We are located right off of the west side of the I-10 in St. Mary's at 525 North Bonita Avenue. So if you have some gently used business attire, we would love to take it and use for Your Sister's Closet. So that's one of our longest running programs. We also have the Latina Leadership Institute, which is a branch of a lot of programs. Mi Carrera, Mi Vida, Líder de Mi Vida. And so this really works with immigrant women who may have some education in Mexico and are trying to figure out how to apply it here in the United States. So we take them through ESL classes and teach them how to write a resume in English and just really set them up for workforce development. And so that's one of the programs that we're also really proud of. One of the really exciting things that we have coming up is a kitchen incubator program. So we have another campus in the city of South Tucson, formerly known as the House of Neighborly Service, which is now named the South Tucson campus of the YWCA. And so what the kitchen incubator is going to be all about is we are going to be incubating small businesses who their focus is in food. And we're going to take them through a 3-year program. There's a whole application process that you can check out on our website, too, ywcatucson.org. And if you're a food entrepreneur, you can apply for this program. We'll incubate you, which means you're going to have free space in our kitchen to cook your product. But we're also going to teach you how to be an entrepreneur. So you can learn marketing courses, you're going to learn operations, product development, etc., etc. And the whole point is to graduate you. So we want to see these business entrepreneurs kind of spread their wings and fly and, you know, open their businesses elsewhere. So the Kitchen Incubator on the campus of South Tucson is one of our more exciting projects as well. So
that's so neat. So again, just tell us what is the phone number someone can call you real slow, and then what is the email that's best for someone to get in touch with you, and then your address. Really super slow.
Sure. So the best number is 884-7810, and that's area code 520. And then our website is ywcatucson.org. And then our address is 525 North Bonita Avenue, and that's in Tucson, Arizona.
Awesome. And then say your name again so everybody can know who you are.
Of course. My name is Maricela.
Woo! I love it.
And I'm the Marketing and Outreach Manager at the YWCA. So if you all have any questions, feel free to contact us.
Awesome. And it's so nice to meet you. So you guys get in touch with her, get involved in those programs. Those sound amazing and incredible. Stay tuned to our next episode of the Tucson Museum of Art. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.